As parents, we all want our children to succeed, especially in crucial subjects like math. But we often face common challenges.
I know my daughter has the potential, but getting her to practice consistently has been challenging.
My son only learns from his mistakes if I sit with him while he solves the problems. But I can't always do that.
I tried some of these apps with videos, but my son is easily distracted and doesn't listen.
I know. I asked her to do those MCQ assignments they have, and she just kept guessing the answers.
Have you tried NudgeMath? It is very engaging. Let me show you. You can work out all problems step by step, just like you do on paper. They have nice hints, so you are never stuck. It instantly corrects you when you go wrong.
Oh, this is nice. Is it tied to their curriculum?
Yes, all NCERT textbook problems are there. They also have some revision problems.
Can I assign problems for them to work out?
Yes, you can select problems and ask your child to solve them. It creates a record with all the problems they have solved. They even mail it to you regularly.
I like how interactive it is. I am sure this will make my daughter practice regularly.
Download NudgeMath Class 6 CBSE app. Try out the sample problems and browse to see the complete problem set. Take the stress out of math practice and help your child succeed. Watch your child's confidence soar, one solved problem at a time.